This is the prototype of ALVI AI Pet Intelligence, an app for assisting pet caretakers. I will show you some existing profiles, like this dog named Ginger. She is a German Shepherd, an adolescent, and as you can see, the app gives detailed AI-powered advice along with some tools for monitoring diet and weight. So in the diet section, you can see how much food is recommended, is the current intake and their recommended intake, and some details on how much food they would eat if they were to eat some different type of food, and the risks that are associated with eating that type of food. You can see for the weights that Ginger has some pre-recorded weights, and which is why in the suggestions, in the recommendations, it's saying about some risk about maintaining a healthy weight, because it looks like Ginger's been gaining a lot of weight. For Ava, we can see that she's a Sphinx. So the same for Ava. There's nutrition, exercise, enrichment, and other notes. The activity and friendliness levels that you set in setup, I will just show you in a second. Diet is also the same. As you can see, for cats, it's much less calories that they need to be consuming, and only one entry for this pet. So now let me show you how to make a pet. So we're going to create a profile for a dog. So for dogs, there are more options between what breeds you can select. For cats, you can select a pure breed or a percentage-wise mix of different breeds. So we're just going to go ahead and go with dogs, show you designer. I will say I have a Morkie. Correctly identifies the mix of the dogs that make up a Morkie. And just to show you, it kind of guards against missing data. I'll name her Ladybug. And I'll just leave the sliders the same. Just for the sake of time, I'll just put that they're a puppy under 6 months. And they eat dry kibble. And the weight, I'll say they're about 4 pounds. And you can confirm. And now here's where the magic happens. The AI will work very hard to come up with a tailored set of recommendations for your animal. In the meantime, we can look at the profile and the age of the animal and the associated information for that stage of their life. Yes, so there, we're working, we're cooking. And all this data is just the initial stuff, same stuff that we've seen before. It's all in working order. The only thing that isn't functioning well or hasn't been developed yet is the local risks. So local risks will be a tab for warning you of parasites and diseases and outbreaks in your area that are harmful to you and your pet, because there are some diseases that can transfer from other animals to humans. And beta testing is set to begin in about 2 weeks, collected through some collected emails from the alviai.com website. But until then, I'll be fine-tuning the LLM's weights for more accurate and helpful responses.